me ask you something uncomfortable. When was the last time you posted something online and then immediately checked to see how many people liked it? Be honest. Maybe it was a photo, a tweet, a story. Maybe it was something you worked really hard on, and within minutes you were refreshing the page, waiting, hoping, needing someone to tell you it was good. Here's the thing. That feeling you had, that little knot in your stomach, that's not weakness. That's not insecurity. That's biology. And today, we're going to talk about why your brain is literally wired to chase other people's approval and what that's actually doing to you. Humans are not meant to be alone. I know that sounds like something your mom says when she's worried about you, but there's actual science behind it. Thousands of years ago, being rejected by your tribe wasn't just embarrassing, it was a death sentence. No tribe meant no food, no shelter, no protection. So your brain evolved to treat social rejection the same way it treats physical pain. Same neural pathways, same alarm bells going off. That's why being left on red can feel like getting punched in the chest. Your brain genuinely cannot tell the difference. And here's where it gets really wild. When someone validates you, when they like your post, agree with your idea, laugh at your joke, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical released when you eat your favorite food, the same chemical involved in gambling, the same chemical behind addiction. You are not addicted to your phone, you're addicted to the feeling your phone gives you when other people approve of you. Now here's what nobody talks about. Validation isn't inherently bad. Wanting to be seen, heard, and appreciated, that's human, that's healthy. The problem starts when your sense of self-worth becomes dependent on it, when you need the likes to feel good about your work, when you need the compliment to believe you did a great job, when you can't make a single decision without checking what everyone else thinks first. That's when validation stops being a want and starts being a cage. Psychologists call this external locus of control. It means your emotional state is being controlled by forces outside yourself. And studies show people who live here in that constant state of needing approval report higher levels of anxiety, lower confidence, and deep, persistent unhappiness. You're handing the remote control to your mood to strangers on the internet. So, how do you break the cycle? How do you build a version of yourself that doesn't collapse without outside approval? That's exactly what we're going to break down. Stay with me.